Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Felicia Mesadieu, your guide to the best clothes, tips, products, and ideas that help you look and feel your best. Today I'm going to be sharing with you this beautiful fall, well, it's a summer to fall makeup look. And in this video, I'm going to be featuring the Dermablend Flawless Creator Foundation. I am a huge fan of Dermablend. Well, one, I used the foundation and it's absolutely gorgeous on my skin. I just love the way that it makes my complexion look. But I'm a huge fan of it because I have seen it perform in so many ways that have just blown my mind away. I had a girlfriend when I was in high school. She suffered with some skin issues and she was able to really get beautiful coverage from Dermablend, and that was like my first introduction to Dermablend. They've been around for quite some time. And then also, same friend, we were in bridal shows together and she had like tattoos on her arms. What covered her tattoos? Dermablend. And then also just seeing a lot of their complexion based products with other YouTubers on this platform, I've really been able to see the way that it performs. So I was so excited to collaborate with Dermablend, partner with them so that, you know, we could introduce these new products to you. And I am so excited. So without further ado, my ladies, let's get into this tutorial. Okay, let's get started. So I'm starting off on a freshly cleansed and washed face, hydrated and all moisturized or whatever. Now I'm just going to add the primer and then I'll jump into the products from Dermablend. All right, my primer has been applied. So now I'm just gonna shade match. So I have two colors here. And for the first color, I have the Flawless Creator in the color 85N. Then I also have the Flawless Creator in the 75W. So I just need to see which one is best suited for my skin tone. So I'll do that right now. I'll shade match. Okay, so the first one that I'm going to use is the 75W. They both look a little light. I'm definitely have met my max for my summer color, so they both look a little light to me. But it's called Dermablend for a reason. Okay, so that's the 80. Okay, so this is the 75W, and this is the 85N. I think I'm gonna go with the 85N. The 85N just looks a little bit more like it would be a little bit more deeper, but let's see how it blends. And I'm matching it to my neck because I want the color to match my neck, because that's normally where you see the demarcation of the foundation. Looks rather red right now, but let's keep going. You know when you just get real scared about something. Okay. Okay. All right, that's blending. And I'm just using my Sigma flat kabuki brush. Okay. Well, that blended quite nicely now, didn't it? Okay, so I'm using the 85N for the rest of the face. I just kind of blended in both the colors, but I think I'm gonna go with using the 85N because looking at it, looks like it might be a better match. I can barely see my freckles, so it is giving really good coverage. Okay, so that's the foundation applied to the right side of my face, and then the left side of my face, no foundation applied. I think the foundation is giving me flawless coverage. I think one more layer and it definitely would be full coverage. Right now I think I've made it to like a little over medium, but I can like barely see my freckles. So I would say that this probably is full coverage foundation. I really like the finish. The finish has like a very soft, like matte look to it. The foundation looks like skin, to be honest with you, and it's like zero weight. It's very lightweight. I do think it's nice and blendable. All right, I'm adding one more layer of the Dermablend Flawless Creator in 85N just to build up the coverage a little bit more, because I really want to see what happens with those freckles disappearing. Oh, yes. Yes, Lord. Yes. Oh, yes. Okay. You can honestly, in my opinion, possibly even just use the foundation as a concealer. That's how good it is. Like, one of my freckles I can't even see, or barely can see. Like, just barely. Okay, I'm gonna apply foundation to the other side. Yeah, it's a really good foundation. I'm just adding a little bit of foundation over my lips just to prime the lips for my lip color. I must be smarter than the foundation. I'm gonna improvise. I'm gonna improvise and use the Dermablend Flawless Creator 75W as my concealer. Since that's a little bit more warmer and just a tad bit lighter. And I'm just gonna use this beauty sponge just to, okay, yeah, that, oh man. That completely covered my freckles. And if you watch my channel, you know that I have the hardest time covering my freckles. That did it, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, I'm going to use the Urban Decay's Naked Eyeshadow Palette. I know, super old, but sometimes you just have to throw it back. And I am going to take a little bit of Buck and just place that on the outer corner. For eyeshadow, I'm going to go ahead and use the City Mini Palette times Shayla by Maybelline, and I am just going to do something fun today, I guess. I'm going to take a little bit of this like red bronzy, no, it's not even bronze, it's like a burnt reddish brown. I'm going to place that on the outer corner of the eye. And then I'm just gonna blend that out a little bit more with my Sigma E40. Now I'm gonna take this color right on the end there, plummy kind of maroonish color, kind of like a burgundy, and then I'm just going to pack that on the mobile lid. Alright, just adding some to the inner corner of my eye, taking it down a little bit further on the bottom lash line. Alright, for liner, what I'm going to do is just take a little bit of that black from the City Mini palette times Shayla. So instead of actually doing like a cat liner, I'm just going to do it this way. Sometimes I just prefer to do it this way. It's a lot easier, quicker. Okay, for mascara, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Voluminous Superstay Fiber X Mascara. Right now I'm going to add some highlighter. I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome. Okay, so I lined my lips with a liner, and now I am going to add this Lust for Blush by Maybelline. Okay, so now that the look is completed, I think that this is perfect transitional makeup from summer to fall. I love how beautiful my complexion looks. I love how everything just really blended a little bit over. Actually, I kind of saw everything blending as I went into the bathroom and checked my face, and I said, okay, this really looks, you know, like my skin. It's a perfect foundation for the summer. As a matter of fact, it was really deep. I would be interested in seeing actually what it would look like with the 75W completely applied to my face. I definitely think that Dermablend Flawless Creator are complexion priority products. They really do a lot to make your complexion look very even and flawless. And I mean, my skin looks just, it's gorgeous right now. It looks just absolutely gorgeous. The tone is even, my face looks smooth. It really does provide a very flawless overall finish, and I just love it. I really do. And this is my completed look using the Dermablend Flawless Creator Liquid Foundation Drops. The full range of Dermablend's Flawless Creator foundation shades are available at Ulta, and I will leave the link down in my description box if you are interested in purchasing one, or two, or three, or four. Well, that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe so you can see more videos like this. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see more inspiration, fashion, style, all of it. I got you covered. Follow me on there, and I will see you all in the next video. Favor, peace, and blessings. Bye.